Yeah. Where's the girl? Where's the girl? What's your name? Meh, meh. What's your name? Are you a pretty girl? Yeah. Yeah. What's your schedule like today? Are you available for parties? Yeah. Queen, where's she? Whoa. Make some noise. Come on. Tell me hi. Tell me hi. Come on, you were talking all morning. Nothing? Nothing? Stop playing. Gosh darn it. 1, 2. Hey. Hey. You ready to talk? Alright. Fiddlesticks. Go have some milk. New. Hey everybody, this is Peter Palmiotti, and welcome to my latest video. This is simply just a morning warm-up sketch. I just wanted to go over a few things. If you didn't catch my last video, I don't expect everybody to watch a long-ass video, so I want to recover a couple of points I made. One of which is, okay, so my live streaming and my camera setup will be improved. I think my camera's fine, I just need better lighting and also a armature to position my camera in the right place. And actually, if I get the right kind of arm, I might be able to film it with my Kindle. I don't know if that would be better. I'll probably need a lot stronger lighting for it to come out good. My Kindle seems to film better outside in bright ass light rather than inside, which comes out all green. But I'll try a couple of different things. I have an inexpensive cell phone. Not sure about using that, but we'll see. I'll try a couple things. And also my live streaming. One of the reasons I'm waiting for next month is not only continue to work on Down, but I got another project I'll be working on, which should be steady pay for at least a couple months, possibly 6 months, depending on when all is said and done. And yeah, so I'll be in better shape. Oh, I want to mention I'm doing a fundraiser on Facebook. I'll put the link below. It's essentially for stray cat that's a local in my neck of the woods, and he's been staying here more and more, and I've been feeding him more and more. And rather than continue to do that, we tried a while back to get him hooked up with this guy Mike, who is actually closer to my ex in town. And yeah, so that went south for reasons I really won't go into, but essentially he has to come up with $300 if he wants to keep the cat in his apartment. And I would totally pay it myself, but just definitely not this month. This month is I'm squeezing by the skin of my teeth. So I figured I'd try a fundraiser thing. I see a lot of my friends doing it for causes and personal goals and whatnot. So I think I'm 62, 63% funded. I'm going to push it more later in the week. But if you're curious, click the link and go check it out. Cat's name, I named it Pop Pop. And the guy's name is Mike, so to unite them. What else is going on? Alright, did a couple of shout outs in my last video, and I'm going to put them again. But Gibran Redinger is an artist who paints, and he's got a YouTube channel, so you can go click the link and check out his work. Yeah, I've seen his work maybe a year ago, and he's improved, and he's just constantly at it and making new pieces. And yeah, go give him all the encouragement you can. Subscribe to his channel. Somebody else is Art T Bear. Art T Bear has been in the industry for years and years, decades even. He used to work for Extreme Studios, Image, thereabouts, and he's an amazing inker. He's working over at DC now. He's got a YouTube channel, and he was doing critiques on people's artworks. They sent him portfolio pieces, pinups, mostly comic pages, and he was doing on a daily basis pretty much a video a day where you look at a piece or sometimes multiple pieces and just give tips and tricks and changes that, you know, his personal opinion of what they should do, all in fun and for learning and just, you know, to make everybody a better artist. And yeah, so he's really friendly, awesome guy. I interviewed him on my podcast years ago, and would love to have him again. If you're listening, Art, get on my YouTube channel. Come and hang out with me in my studio synergy. And his assistant, Tag, she has her own channel and she'll be doing comic book reviews. So you can go subscribe to her. She's just starting out. Art has been doing it a little while, but he's still relatively new. Oh, by the way, Art is set a goal for himself to have 500 subscribers. If he gets to that goal, he's going to start doing in-studio sort of streams. Sort of copying me, right? And it's going to be him, Tag, and I believe somebody else. And you can actually check out his San Diego video. He talks a little bit about that there. So go help him reach his goal. And one of the big things that I wish to accomplish this fall is go to a kind of big comic convention. MegaCon, in fact, that's down in Florida. Now, I might be able to make the finances I need. I have to crunch the numbers still, but I'm thinking it will probably be tight, so I'm going to open up commissions. If you haven't already seen, I've done a few that I posted around a while back, but what is it, 9 by 6, 9 inches by 6 inches, Bristol board, Bristol paper. I pencil and ink a figure, background, and that's $50. So you can get a commission by me, or you could, in the description of the video, I actually have a tip jar now. Well, it's like a PayPal link I've had for quite some time, but I have it there in the description now, where you can go and you can buy me a cup of coffee, a slice of pizza, any spare change you happen to have in one of your bank accounts, you can throw my way, and that will help in lots of ways. You could also go support me on my Patreon page, and I mentioned previously I'm in the process of updating that to focus on my comic Neon Eden, so you can get a lot of behind the scenes and see pages before I start releasing them publicly. And yeah, that's it for now. You know, it's like And it's been a hot ass summer, and hopefully like this fall things will really start heating up as far as work goes, and really get a push forward as far as just getting a lot accomplished. You know, I'm sort of taking the summer to work on a bunch of stuff behind the scenes, so that work will flow much better, and all that jazz. So that's it for now. Hope all of you are doing immensely well. Thank you to all my patrons. Every video is greatly produced from the contributions from my patrons. And I'll see you again shortly. Alright, thank you all. Bye.